The fluorescent lighting is not good. We're moving to a different spot. I honestly don't think that's much better, but we're working with what we have. Sorry, I'm talking a little bit quietly. You might need to turn up your volume a little bit because everyone else in the house is sleeping. Ooh, that loop is awkward. Everyone else in the house is sleeping and I don't want to be rude. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today it's my night routine, my realistic night routine, and this is gonna be as realistic as it gets, hopefully. Basically, this is just what I do every night regardless of whether it's a school night. Let's get into this routine. So the first thing I do is set my alarm clock just to make sure, ooh, it's 10 o'clock now, just to make sure that I, wake up on time. Right now it's set for 6 a.m., which is not happening. So I'm gonna set it for 7:30. And yes, I don't use my phone for an alarm clock because I think using my phone is just gonna distract me. So the next step, which normally takes like the longest, which is kind of embarrassing, is picking out my outfit. I don't know, I always just have trouble with this because I'm indecisive and decisions are hard, and also I care way too much about fashion. So let's just try to pick it out in a reasonable amount of time. Outfit is picked out, kind of boring, but oh well, I like it, it's fine. I'm gonna be doing tomorrow's studying, so it doesn't really matter. Dental hygiene, important, right? Am I right? Yeah, you don't want cavities, you don't want your teeth to fall out, you don't want other, dental issues because that ain't good, so floss. I don't know, it's just the one that you get at Costco, I guess. Mint flavored. I don't know if there's other flavors of floss. Also, wash your hands before you floss too. As I said, we're getting real, so we're showing everything, mostly, not really everything, but mostly everything of the night routine. Also, I'm kneeling on tile right now, which is not very comfortable. Toothbrushing. I tried this toothbrush in a previous video. This is a bamboo toothbrush, and it really works well. And yes, I wet my toothbrush. If you don't wet your toothbrush before you brush your teeth, I don't know what's going on with you. The Costco toothpaste. Also, when I'm brushing my teeth, I often forget what I'm doing, it's like your automatic processing system where you just kind of brush your teeth and you zone out. That happens to me all the time, and then I spend like 5 minutes brushing my teeth on accident. So now it is time to take off my makeup. Normally when I'm doing this stuff, I'm like watching Netflix, but I'm not gonna do that right now because copyright. And also, I don't think you want to hear me talking while watching Parks and Recreation at the same time. And obviously right now, given the circumstances that we're in, it is especially important to wash your hands before you wash in or touch your face, or else you're gonna be getting those germs everywhere, and thank you, next. This face wash, I cannot speak today. This face wash is this Soap and Glory thing. Also, a disadvantage to washing your face when you're wearing a hoodie is these things. What are these called? I don't know, but they're annoying sometimes. Wow, okay, my face looks so red right now. I don't know what that is. But then right after I wash my face while my hands are still relatively clean, then I make my bed so then it's ready for bedtime, obviously. I always do it in this order. Pick out outfit, brush teeth, makeup thing, whatever, and then make bed. Two minutes later. Ta-da! It's made. Okay, showering now. I'm not filming that. Sorry. clearly did not wash my hair because I washed my hair last night, and I don't like washing my hair like 2 nights in a row because when I do that, it strips your hair of all of its natural little like slime thing, or not slime, like it strips your hair of your natural oils. That's how it is for my hair texture. Not the same for everyone because no one has the same hair. Okay, skincare routine. First thing I use, this Pixie Rose Tonic. Definitely have talked about this before. This does a really good job of just everything. It's like an all-around thing. It's like butter. You can use it on everything, even though I don't even use butter. I use like the vegan butter stuff, but whatever. But it just like helps reduce dryness, redness, blotchy spots. Then I move into this oil-free Neutrogena moisturizer because my skin is already like kind of oily already, so I like to use an oil-free moisturizer because I just got back from like a super dry place. My skin is still like kind of dehydrated, as in there are giant dry patches all over it. Then I use this Aquifer tube for lip balm. Honestly, I think Aquifer is the best like nightly lip balm. And finally, I use a little bit of spot treatment. This is the Clearasil spot treatment. This works for my skin type the best because it has the benzoyl peroxide, I think. A lot of other acne stuff just like this that you just get at the drugstore have salicylic acid. That makes me break out in rash. And it doesn't work either. So, it just works. Okay, cool. Now the last step is taking out my contact lenses, but before I do that, I plan my day right before I go to bed. Is that the best idea? Should I be doing that right before bed? Probably not, but am I gonna do it anyway? Yeah. So here's my Erin Condren Life Planner. This planner is so good. It's so amazing. I know a lot of YouTubers have it, just people in general. And I have the vertical layout too, which I really like. Time for bed. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below anything you want to. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Again, you cool fam.